Black Brant. The black brant is a small migratory goose that inhabits coastal regions of North America and the Arctic. It is a subspecies of the brant goose and is known for its striking dark plumage and white neck ring. Unlike other geese that feed mostly on grasses in inland areas, the black brant prefers coastal habitats, especially estuaries and bays, where it feeds on marine vegetation. This unique lifestyle sets it apart from many other members of the goose family. During the summer, black brant breed in the Arctic tundra of Alaska and eastern Siberia. Nesting near freshwater lakes and ponds, they raise their young in remote predator-prone areas. After breeding season, they undertake one of the longest migrations among geese, traveling over 3,000 miles to their wintering grounds along the Pacific coast, especially in places like California and Baja California in Mexico. This incredible journey is a testament to their endurance and navigational abilities. In their winter habitats, black brant rely heavily on eelgrass and other aquatic plants. They often forage in tidal mudflats and shallow coastal waters, sometimes forming large flocks that can number in the thousands. Their dependence on eelgrass has made them vulnerable to habitat loss due to coastal development, pollution, and climate change. Efforts to conserve eelgrass beds have become important not only for maintaining biodiversity, but also for supporting black brant populations. Black brant are social birds and often stay in family groups throughout migration and winter. They communicate through soft, murmuring calls and show strong site fidelity, returning to the same breeding and wintering areas year after year. Their predictable migratory patterns have made them a focus of ecological study and conservation programs, as scientists monitor their numbers to better understand the health of coastal ecosystems. Overall, the black brant is a remarkable example of adaptation and survival. From its challenging Arctic breeding grounds to the long flights south each year, this goose illustrates the complex relationship between wildlife and their environment. Conservation of its habitats, especially eelgrass beds, is crucial for the future of this unique and beautiful bird.